Parents, when I was young, I had a hard time fitting in. I didn't really play sports. I wasn't that good at sports. I tried. I wanted to fit in. I just wasn't good enough. Now, I was bullied as a kid until one day I found something that I loved very much, the drums. I became a drummer, and that whole process has brought me through many years of meeting people, like-minded people, meeting other musicians, and being welcomed into networks of musicians that have invited me to play in their bands and on their recordings. And today I have lifelong friends who are fellow musicians who treat me like family. It's a beautiful thing. So as far as inclusion and confidence and making friends, music is such a beautiful thing to be a part of. I would personally encourage you to encourage your child to become a musician. I can tell you firsthand that for me, it certainly has enriched my life and made me more confident. My mom encouraged me, and I thank her every day for it. I'm so grateful to my mother.